He's cleaning up the exhaust, polishing her.
Look at this.
Yo, listen, this man, bro. Listen, he's gonna get rid of this this straight pipe that he has. Not only is he gonna get a bigger tip, that's what she said. It's gonna go right here. All right. He just copped a new APR wing. Thing looks immaculate. I used to have one on my car, but it turned into a pool right here and too much downforce. So,
bro, every time I see it puddle up, my ADHD hits and I just start blowing it all out.
Yeah, exactly. It's gonna get worse from here. Carbon fenders.
You just got this one?
Either one doesn't matter. Yeah, guys. Just note, it's been a long road with this. Big flames have been shot out of this cannon, and now even bigger flames are gonna come out. Now I'm gonna put on the burble tune, and it's gonna be.
See, bah, bah,
so flame. Yeah, bro. Best believe there's gonna be a Hot Boy video coming out for that. Yeah, fit man.
No, it fixed itself. It's not tight.
No, you're good, bro. You're good. Guys, hit that like button if you want Adrian to lower. Actually, if you want him to slam this thing right on the fenders, bro, hit that like button. Because if we can get like 20 likes, we'll slam this car, bro. Look at these welds, bro. Really? This is what you did?
I didn't do it.
Yuck. Guys, we need a proper exhaust, man. This is not proper. All right, guys, we got the doctor bag. We're looking for something in here. Guys, go fund me. I really need a new toolbox.
Bro, I offered you one.
So yeah, I'm in them guts, guys. Trying to take out the hanger. All right, don't try this at home. I'm in direct fire right now. My head could get smashed. So yeah, definitely don't do this.
Well, it's held on by the other hanger.
Nah, I'm just fucking. Well, the other hanger's stock. This one is not stock. So what I need to do is, I need to slide my ass underneath that car.
These angles are nice.
Huh?
The angles.
Do this.
Coño! Bro, we almost seen the 10 almost took you.
Took me out, bro. If it's not getting lost, it's murdering someone's head. Yeah, so we pretty much almost got it out. So if you want, you could grab the hanger over there. All right, guys, we got her out. We got her out. Guys, if we get 50 likes, bro, I will throw this on my car and do wide open throttle pulls. No cap. This straight pipe will go on the external wastegate WRX right there, and we'll do right, Adrian? We'll do wide open
25
throttle.
likes.
Yep. No, what? I said 50.
25 likes.
25. All right, fine. Likes. 25 likes, bro. We get 25 likes. This thing going on, that thing. All right, guys, so we lost a lot of daylight, but we're still gunning. Look at Mr. Adrian underneath the car. Yo, this thing kind of looks dope, bro. Like, I'm jealous. What the diffuser, dog?
Where's the 14?
Dog,
it's the other one. The red shit.
I don't know, dog.
Oh, we left it over there.
Hey, no swearing in the video, bro. Please.
Freak.
Why did you... I asked you if you grabbed everything.
What?
This man's head, bro.
I'm scared it's gonna be louder.
Yeah. Give it a little rev. Another one.
All right, bro. Show us your pull-out game, bro. Let's go.
Huh?
Show us your pull-out game. Come on. Pull out, bro.
Pull out?
Pull up. Boy! Adrian! Dude, the Gretty sounds so good, bro.